Creating a calibration line from a single CRM. In this video we will create dilutions from 0 to 100 ppm from a single 1000 ppm CRM. Start Thijs and go to Visible Devices. Select the preferred tray from the Archie for the dilutions. Create a new tray configuration in order to store the dilutions. Name the tray as wished. In this case, we create a dilution from a single CRM. Click OK and confirm to clear the current configuration. Choose the position of the CRM, in this case position 1. Name the vial, select Failed Vial and complete the amount and concentration and click Save. Create an empty vial for a standard 100 ppm next to the CRM to create the lower ppms and click Save. Now create a series of empty vials for the dilutions from 0 to 100 ppm. In this case we are going to create a 0, a 1, 2.5, 5, 10, 25, 50 and 100 ppm standard. Click and drag from the CRM to the 100, 50 and 25 standard. The lower standards will be created from the second file to ensure the difference between the CRM and the created standards is not too big. The amount can be chosen by customer preferences. In this case we use 100 microliters. Here we create the 100 ppm standard for the lower standards 1, 2.5, 5 and 10. The standard 0 must be created out of the clean wash. Hovering over the vials reveals the current amount after creating the dilutions under the tray. When clicking on the vial, a window will open with information about the creation of the sample. The amount of used clean wash and CRM standard is shown for each created standard. Save the tray configuration and go to the Task Manager. Click on the Tray Configuration button and select the created configuration. Add the tray configuration to the Task Manager and start the creation of the dilutions. The Archie will first check if all vials are present. After checking if all the vials are present, the Archie will clean the syringe before creating the dilutions. Now the Archie starts picking up clean wash for creating the dilutions. Archie has concluded his actions and the standards have been created. Go to Sample Manager and create a sample group. Select for type the calibration line and ensure the right amount of samples and replicates are chosen. Check the required signal and choose the correct range. Complete the remaining sample parameters and pay attention to the correct file position. After finishing the parameters, click Create Samples. Complete the sample group by filling out the concentration of the created standards in the sample concentration window. After completing the list, click Save and a sample group will appear in Sample Manager. Go to Task Manager and start the sample group. Again, the Archie will first clean its syringe before starting injecting into the Xplorer. Now the Archie will pick up the first standard for injection. After measuring all standards, the results are shown in the Sample Manager. In the sidebar of the Sample Manager, the peaks are shown when selecting a standard. In this sidebar, also the calibration line can be selected. For more information, please contact TE Instruments or one of our representatives.